I'm here to present to you the steps I went through while creating an Android app that uses different Android layouts, views, and view groups. I'm reg number 2018/BIT/005/W. Yeah, so I used my password as my reg number, that's 2018/BIT/005/W. And I had said my name is Muhwezi. This is now the simple login application I tried to design and have these several activities. I have login activity and a user activity. Yeah, and with the activity login now, this is it's. I went on like this. For example, have these several layouts. The layout with this, the word, whatsoever. Then when I get to maybe to the splitting and the design, I can easily show you that I use the relative layout, and this is how I managed to design with the login forms. Yeah, so this is garbage collection notification app that I was majorly focusing on designing, and then now these are the different kinds of layouts that I would have used before. Now here I had to use the relative layout. Thank you very much. The activity user, for the user activity now, with the code, I think you can view the tools context is user. I show that I used the relative layout here. Then I went on and designed a little. So that's how it went. So the user activity is backed as my second activity. Remember that we have to make sure that after logging in the right credentials, we are to be taken to the second activity. And in this case, on my side, this is the activity user that I have to take as my second activity. Now here with the login.java, I try to import many of the Android utilities, and these were one of them. And I say that I have to use the username and password with the button login. And here, as I go with the code, I used these methods of void and login, and this is how far I went. Then with this now here, this method is to help us use the right credentials, as you had said. So here, if it's username .get text to string, because this is to help us check whether the username is specifically Muhwezi, and then to check if the password is specifically my registration number. And after that, now this will take us to the will either allow us to log in, like it will take us to the user class. The user class is the user is my second activity. In that case that the username and password are all correct, then there it will show it correctly, that it will show it in the message box that user and password is correct, and it will directly take me to my second activity. Then here, if at all I enter in wrong credentials, that are credentials that are too different from what I'm having here, Muhwezi mic and plus my reg number, it will show this username or password is incorrect in the message box, and then after I will be denied chance of getting to my second activity. Here now, if I get to the design, this is the text view. I named garbage collection. Then we are having also the plain text. The plain texts are these, whereby I enter like maybe a name or password. These are plain text. Then this is a login button. This is a login button. Now, after all that, I had to save and run this to my phone, my device called Infinix Mobility Limited, Infinix X657, and here I will have to wait until it launches successfully. It has to first build, take some good time, and then launch successfully. After launching, I will take you to this, where I can even access my phone. I used a setup called Visor that helps me connect my Android phone with the computer. So here you can easily view my phone. Still going on, just waiting for it to load, to launch, and we see what to do next. So now here, as you see, it's taking some time. It's taking its time to build. It's configuring projects. It's even executing tasks. Building. It's already building up. It shows build successful. Yes, and now we are waiting. You see, build finished. Then we are waiting to see if it will launch successfully. Gradle invocation finished. I think you see, with 0 errors. Now we are waiting to see if the launch is succeeded. Yeah, probably now the launch succeeded. Now here I can easily take you to my phone and I show you what the system can do. I can easily take you to, as I had said, it's called simple login application. This is it. Now here I can easily click it and it brings you the system I managed for. Now here I have to make sure that, now for example, if I enter in wrong credentials, like if I type in anything like anyhow, then go on and type in any password, then I go on and log in, to reset username or password is incorrect, and I will fail to access my second activity, which is the user page now, where it says welcome administrator. Now here I have to make sure that I get back and enter in correct credentials. That is Muhwezi. Then password of that said it's 2018. Then come and stroke BIT. It's in caps lock. BIT. Then come on. Then stroke. Then 005. Then stroke. Weekend W. Now there, that's my correct password, my registration number. So here, if I log in, you see, username and password is correct, are correct. So now here I get my second activity, which is welcome administrator. Yeah, thank you very much. And with that now, I can get back to my code. I don't know if you exactly needed. I wanted to tell you how I managed to design this. First of all, like my wallpaper or the image that is in, I came to the roof, then copied an image from my desktop and then pasted it in the drawable part. Then I could easily access it here after typing in background. Yes, here it's where I would go and get the image. I think you see this was called Kaba 1. Thank you very much. I hope everything has been touched on, especially everything you said in this mid-semester test. And with that, thank you very much, madam. Here I can easily stop and